Welcome to Wiring Training. I'm Gary Gray. This channel is for electricians, DIYers and hobbyists. When I started my career way back 46 years ago, I knew very little about wiring and electricity, but I loved learning. In my early years, I spent a lot of time studying. I ended up getting a diploma in electronics, which I used in later years to teach others at a technical and further education college. I've got a passion to pass on the knowledge I've got to anyone who wants to learn. The flow of electricity has a lot in common with the flow of water. This concept will be broken down for you to easily follow along in the basic training sections. More advanced parts of the course or training have been produced for qualified electricians that just have a gap that needs filling.